I hacked the TikTok algorithm, and YouTube's, and Instagram's, and Netflix's. It's not illegal. You don't need to be a programmer, and it works in 48 hours. The result? My feed now only shows useful content. I learn languages, investing, health, productivity. Zero time wasted. I'm Nova, and I'm going to teach you the 7 tricks that turn these algorithms to my favor. Ready to hack? Hack 1. Train the algorithm. TikTok's AI learns from every second you watch. So, if a video is good, watch it until the end. If it's bad, skip immediately in the first 2 seconds. Don't let it go past 3 seconds. The algorithm understands that you hate that. I did this for 2 days, 15 minutes per day. I skipped aggressively. I watched completely only what was useful. Result? In 48 hours, my feed changed 80%. Why does it work? You're giving super clear data to the AI. It wants to keep you on the screen, so it shows you what you consume completely. Next hack. Hack 2. Strategic search. Don't wait for the algorithm to show you good content. Go search for it. I made a list of 10 useful topics: personal finance, Python, mental health, productivity, history, English, marketing, exercises, philosophy, healthy recipes. Every day I searched 2 topics, watched 5 videos of each until the end. Important. Don't just search, watch until the end. This teaches the algorithm that this is what you want. In 1 week, 60% of my feed was from these topics. Next, hack 3. Selective interaction. Like, comment, share, save. These are powerful signals for the algorithm, but most people like everything randomly. What I did, I only interacted with content I genuinely found useful. Saved for later, only what I would actually review. Shared, only what I would recommend to a friend. Commented, only when I had something to add. Result? The algorithm understood. This person is selective. When they interact, it's serious. And started showing me only high-quality content. Next, hack 4. Not interested button. This is the most underused button on TikTok. When you see a video you don't want to see again, long press on the video. Select Not Interested. The algorithm instantly learns. Never show this type of content again. I did this with drama, gossip, clickbait, sensationalism, fake controversies. In 3 days, this type of content practically disappeared from my feed. Why does it work? You're teaching the algorithm what you don't want. It's as important as teaching what you do want. Next. Hack 5. Strategic. Following. I unfollowed 200 accounts and followed 30 new ones. The new ones? Content creators in areas I want to learn: programming, investing, health, personal development. Important. Don't follow and forget. In the first 3 days, I watched everything they posted until the end. This teaches the algorithm. This creator is important to my user. Then the algorithm prioritizes showing these creators in your feed. Result? 40% of my feed became creators that I chose, not the algorithm. Me. Next. Hack. Hack 6. Restricted mode on YouTube. Very few people know about this. YouTube has a restricted mode that filters sensationalist content, clickbait, controversial stuff. How to activate? Settings, restricted mode, activate. I activated it, and in 24 hours, my YouTube feed became 90% cleaner. Disappeared, drama, fights, controversy, gossip. Remained, tutorials, education, documentaries, analysis. Why does it work? You cut toxic content at the root. The algorithm doesn't even have the option to show you trash. Next, hack 7, multiple accounts. This is the final hack. I have 3 TikTok accounts. Account 1, learning, English, programming, finance. Account 2, entertainment, comedy, memes, curiosities. Account 3, work, marketing, design, trends. Why do this? Because sometimes you want entertainment, but you don't want to mix it in your main feed. Result? When I want to learn, I enter account 1. When I want to relax, I enter account 2. When I want to work, I enter account 3. I control my mental state through the feed, not the other way around. Recap: the 7 hacks. 1. Train aggressively. 2. Search strategically. 3. Interact selectively. 4. Use not interested. 5. Follow strategic accounts. 6. Activate restricted mode. 7. Multiple accounts. Final result? My time on social media became an investment, not a loss. I learn while scrolling the feed, and you can do this today. Now the challenge: choose 2 hacks to test today. Comment, #HackedMyFeed plus the numbers. Example, #HackedMyFeed 1 and 4. I'll respond to everyone. If you want to know how to use AI to create content that the algorithm loves, watch this one. Card subscribe because every week I test something new with technology. I'm Nova, hack your feed and see you next time.